That giant rotating drum can roast over 600 pounds of coffee in a single batch. Every day, industrial coffee roasters process thousands of tons of beans, supplying millions of cups worldwide. So how do these massive machines transform raw green beans into the coffee we drink every morning? Chalo, let's find out. Coffee is one of the world's most consumed beverages. Americans alone drink more than 500 million cups every single day. But coffee beans don't naturally taste like coffee. Freshly harvested beans are actually green, dense, and surprisingly grassy in flavor. The rich aroma, deep color, and complex taste only develop during roasting. And when you're supplying global coffee chains, grocery stores, and supermarkets, consistency becomes everything. A slight temperature variation can completely change the final flavor. That's why industrial roasting facilities rely on advanced automation, precision sensors, and real-time computer monitoring. The process begins with raw green coffee beans arriving from farms around the world. Beans are unloaded into massive storage silos. Before roasting, automated systems clean the beans. Powerful air separators remove dust, stones, and foreign materials. Optical sorting machines then inspect every single bean. High-speed cameras instantly reject defective beans. Only premium quality beans move forward. Next comes the roasting stage. Green beans enter enormous rotating roasting drums. These industrial roasters use carefully controlled hot air. Temperatures often exceed 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As drums rotate, beans tumble continuously. This ensures even heat distribution. Inside the bean, moisture rapidly evaporates. Sugars begin caramelizing. Complex chemical reactions called Maillard reactions create hundreds of flavor compounds. Amazing, right? During roasting, coffee beans nearly double in size while losing around 15% of their weight. As roasting continues, operators closely monitor bean temperature. Modern facilities use digital probes and infrared sensors. Everything is tracked in real time. Computer systems automatically adjust airflow, heat intensity, and drum speed. This precision guarantees identical flavor profiles every batch. Then comes a critical moment, the first crack. Internal steam pressure causes beans to audibly crack. It sounds remarkably similar to popcorn popping. Roasters use this sound as an important quality indicator. Different roast levels require different timing. Light roasts preserve acidity and fruity notes. Medium roasts balance sweetness and body. Dark roasts produce bold, smoky flavors. Once the target roast profile is reached, speed becomes essential. Beans are immediately discharged into cooling trays. Large fans rapidly cool them. Fast cooling stops further roasting instantly. Without this step, beans could over-roast within seconds. After cooling, roasted beans release carbon dioxide. This process is called degassing. Many facilities allow beans to rest before packaging. Next, automated conveyor systems transport beans for grinding or packaging. Industrial grinders can process thousands of pounds every hour. Particle size must remain extremely consistent. Even tiny variations affect brewing quality. Some large roasting plants produce enough coffee daily to fill more than 10 million cups. Finally, advanced packaging machines seal the coffee. Nitrogen gas is often injected into bags. This removes oxygen and preserves freshness. Robotic palletizers then stack finished products for global distribution. Within days, those beans could be brewing inside homes, offices, restaurants, and coffee shops worldwide. And that's how massive industrial coffee roasters transform raw green beans into the coffee millions depend on every single day. Here's a fascinating fact. Coffee contains more than 800 aroma compounds, making it one of the most chemically complex beverages humans consume. Pretty incredible for a simple bean. Which part of the process surprised you the most? Was it the first crack, the giant roasting drums, or the high-tech sorting systems? Comment below.